Your car's on fire. Uncle Jason, the wiper's on fire.
That fire bad. Right, bad fire. That just was fire. I could still see flames under that car. That car was like, William, that car was like this. William, that car was like this. William, that car was like this. That car was like this. Fire. The game stopped, I think. I think the game over. Forever. New year, yeah? No. If it is, I would be mad.
There's still cars going. They can't end the game like that. There's no winner.
Yeah.
That car's gonna stay there now. What's the same?
There are more people going up.
I keep taking a break because that's gonna be a while.
They get down. Oh,